Hello, beautiful kids at home. Good to be in your view. Welcome to Mrs. Agistella Teaching and Learning. And today is our creative art class, and we're going to be making a dummy clock. Yes, a dummy clock. What is a clock? A clock is an instrument that helps us to tell the time. And in your maths class, when you're doing telling the time, you can use your dummy clock in order as an instructional material to help you know what to do and how to tell the time. Moving forward, in order to make a dummy clock, we need paper. We need a hard paper with hard base. This is like a cardboard paper, different colors. We need 2 colors of cardboard paper. You need a circular base. You need your pencil. You need your ruler, and of course, you need your scissors to cut out your pieces. The first thing is to put your circular base on the paper. You use your pencil to draw it out. Then you use your scissors to cut it out. To save time, I already have a circular base already cut out. Then on a contrast cardboard paper, another color of cardboard paper, you just cut out arrow-like hands to give us the long hand and the short hand. It's easy to cut this. Just cut a triangle and cut the top of the base. If you have this cut out for your children, for lower children from 5, 6, 4, 3, you can cut this out for them. But for children in the upper primary, all you need to do is to show them, you draw it out on their paper and cut it. Now I have my paper. But first of all, to get accurate line, you use your ruler and a pencil to divide it into 4 equal parts. For you to get the 4 cardinal points, and then the others you can fill them in. Now before I compile them together, this is my circular base. I will have to label the clock. Remember, a clock has numbers. A clock has numbers. And so, if I place it like this on the board, everybody look at it. I've drawn my lines already. The first number here is 12. The base is 6. To the right is 3. And this is 9. So if you get your 4 cardinal points, then you can fill the other in. 1, 2, 3, the next will be 4, the next is 5, we have 6 already, so we have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and we're 12. So we're almost halfway done with our clock. Now when you have this done already, you get a thumb pin. A thumb pin is a very easy pin that kids can use. A thumb pin. You place it from the back or from the front of your base. It's going to pass through, but before you place it, you arrange the long hand of the clock. Something like this. The short hand, something like this. And then you bore the hole, or you can use the thumbnail to pierce it in. I'm going to use my thumbnail to pierce both of them in. But just for safety reason, you can first make a hole on both of them. And then you do this, just like this. Then for the back, you can use your masking tape to cover up the sharp edge so that it doesn't cut anybody. This is just the masking tape. Now roll it like this, 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 like this. I roll it together, and I've covered the sharp edge so that it doesn't injure anybody. And then I can cover it up. And voila! Just to make it look neat behind, we have our dummy clock. The clock helps us to tell the time. What time do you wake up in the morning? I wake up at 1 o'clock. When it's 1 o'clock, the long hand will be on 12, and you move this. 2 o'clock. Give me 4 o'clock. You move this. 4:30. The long hand will be on 6. And the short hand will be 4:30. So for teachers, you can make these and then paste it as a day. I'm going to paste it because I'm going to have maths class soon. You just paste it on the board, and then you can use it as instructional material for your class. I just made my dummy clock, and it's so beautiful. You can have each student make this in the creative art class a week before you teach telling the time. When everybody has their dummy clock, all you need to do is everybody put the hand on 12 people, navigate to 2, you have 2 o'clock. When the long hand moves round the clock, it's going to move round and round and round and round. And it moves round the clock, the short hand will move by 1, and you have 2 o'clock. have made your tummy close. I hope you enjoyed and you learned to come your way next time. Bye bye. It's Mrs. Adi Stella teaching and learning.